In a new section, we're going to take the button widget and drag it over. Let's add text that is more descriptive. And don't forget to add your link here. And I'm going to make the size extra large so you can see better what I'm doing. In the Style tab, I'm going to select the typography of the secondary one. That's just the default. And head down to background type. When I click gradient, you're going to see more options pop up. So for color, you can use the color picker or the dropper or any codes that you have for your color. But I've already gone ahead and set my global colors. So I'm going to click this custom button and select my gold and then my more orange button. And now you can see by default, the colors go from top to bottom instead of left to right in what I want. So I'm going to come down here to the angle. Instead of 180, I'm going to select 90. You can play with whatever angle you want. You can make it more horizontal, diagonal, whatever. So I'm going to select 90. And the next thing I'm going to do is change the shape of my button. So for border radius, you can start dragging this and making it so that it's more pill-shaped. Another thing is if it's 0, you can see it becomes a perfect square. So just something to keep in mind if that's what you want. So we're going to do this pill-shaped. And the last thing I want to do is add a box shadow. So I'm going to click this, which adds a shadow. And I like to tone the opacity down a bit so it's not too aggressive. You can also change the color of your shadow. And in our other options, we can change where the shadow hits. But I'm just going to keep it at the default so it's equal all the way around for horizontal and vertical. For the blur, we can make it so it's bigger or smaller, if you can see that. And then the spread makes it so that the edges of the shadow change. So I'm going to keep that at 0 where it was. I like it how it is. And there you go. That is how to make a button from boring to action-oriented in Elementor Pro in just 2 minutes.